Imagine having incredible talent but constantly missing opportunities just because you couldn't wake up on time. Sounds frustrating, right? Well, let me tell you a story. In a peaceful village, surrounded by green fields and tall mountains, lived a blacksmith named Arjun. He was skilled, hardworking, and well-respected for his craftsmanship. But he had one big problem: he could never wake up early. Every morning, his alarm rang, but he kept snoozing it, refusing to leave his warm bed. Because of this, he lost valuable working hours, missed important village meetings, and delayed customer orders. The village elders often warned him, "Arjun, you need to change this habit." But he just shrugged. "What difference does it make? I can always work at night." One day, the village planned a grand festival, and Arjun was given a special task: the honor of crafting an iron gate for the temple, the most important decoration of the festival. It was a huge opportunity, but the next morning, when the chief and his team arrived at his workshop, they found the doors shut. Arjun was still sleeping. Disappointed and angry, the chief gave the job to another blacksmith, someone less skilled, but always reliable. When Arjun finally woke up and heard what had happened, shame washed over him. The festival was the biggest event of the year, and he had lost his chance, all because of his laziness. Seeking guidance, he went to his wise old grandfather. "Grandfather, no matter how hard I try, I just can't wake up early." His grandfather smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story. In another village, there were two farmers, Dev and Ram. They had the same land, the same tools, and the same weather. But one key difference: Dev woke up early. Ram always woke up late. Dev started his work at dawn and finished before noon. He had time to rest, read, and spend time with his family. Because he managed his time well, his farm flourished. Ram, on the other hand, slept late and woke up when the sun was high. He rushed through his work, made mistakes, and struggled in the afternoon heat. He was always tired, always behind. Then one year, a terrible storm came. Dev had already harvested most of his crops, so he lost very little. But Ram, who always delayed his work, lost almost everything. His grandfather placed a hand on Arjun's shoulder. "The world moves fast, my son. If you are always late, you will always be left behind." That night, Arjun made a promise to change. The next morning, when his alarm rang, he was tempted to hit snooze as usual. But he remembered the story. He forced himself to get up, washed his face, stretched his body, and stepped outside. The crisp morning air filled his lungs. For the first time, he felt refreshed. For weeks, he followed a strict morning routine. He slept early, avoided distractions, and tracked his progress. First, it was tough, but little by little, his body adjusted. Soon, waking up early became effortless. His work improved. He completed orders on time. The villagers noticed, and when the next festival arrived, something incredible happened. The village chief personally asked Arjun to create an even grander iron gate for the temple. This time, he was ready. Not only did he finish the gate early, but it was also the most beautiful work the village had ever seen. His reputation soared, and people from neighboring villages came to him with work. One evening, sitting beside his grandfather, Arjun smiled. "I finally understand, grandfather. Waking up early isn't just a habit. It's the key to success. I feel more active, more focused, and more in control of my life." His grandfather nodded. The morning sun brings new possibilities. Those who wake up early welcome success. Those who wake up late always chase after it. From that day on, Arjun never went back to his old habits. His story became an inspiration for generations, proving that success isn't just about talent. It's about discipline, consistency, and making the most of each day.